It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, January the 6th. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions, temperatures continue to warm up as we head into the weekend, but an increase in clouds will start to occur by then. And as we get to next week, there is some forecast uncertainty, and we may just have a small chance of seeing a few raindrops around here by about Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. All right, let's get into it here. Looking at the almanac from yesterday, 66 degrees the afternoon high, 41 was the morning low, the normal high 66, the normal low 45. And looking outside right now at 8:20 a.m., a few clouds around the valley. And we are at 45 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 37, relative humidity 76%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Satellite picture this morning reveals the main storm track remains to the north of Arizona, but a few high clouds will pass through here through the day today. Here's the watch warning map. Still some winter weather issues over the Pacific Northwest. And as that cold air continues to surge southeastward, check it out. Winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings as far south as the Tennessee Valley, parts of North Alabama seeing the snowflakes this morning. Convective outlook for today with most of the nation in cool, stable air. Not even a clap of thunder to be heard anywhere across the lower 48. And here's a look at precipitation. And this is valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. We don't have our normal graphic here, so this is a little bit harder to see, but not much rain to be had here across Arizona. A little bit possible over the central and northern portion of the state, with a system due in here early next week. Quite a bit of forecast uncertainty surrounding that scenario. We'll talk about it in more detail right now as we get to the models. And here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Ridging is the story out here across the southwest, a dry west to northwesterly flow aloft. The heights continue to come up ever so slightly. So down at the surface, some high clouds around today, partly sunny sky, high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Tonight, mostly clear with lows in the upper 30s to middle 40s. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny sky returns and high temperatures pretty close to 70. And that's going to be the way it is over the weekend. Although again, an increase in high clouds looks likely as another system develops over the Pacific Northwest and begins to drop southeastward. A blocking pattern will ultimately start to emerge here. But for us, partly sunny for both Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures, upper 60s to low 70s each day. And more or less the same thing as we go to Monday. Partly sunny, highs, upper 60s to low 70s. Ridging builds over the western states. And this upper low sort of gets detached from that and cuts off here over the southwest. But where exactly that feature sets up, there is still a great deal of uncertainty. Blocking patterns are very difficult to forecast several days out. How it looks right now is we'll see this low set up somewhere maybe over Southern California and start to draw some moisture in. So the sky turns mostly cloudy on Tuesday in this setup, and some widely scattered showers are possible. They'd be rather light across portions of Arizona, mainly over the higher terrain. The subcloud layer here in the desert might be too dry, but we could see a sprinkle or two. By Tuesday night and Wednesday, with this upper low still lingering around the southwest, the GFS shows moisture still streaming northward across the state. So if that verifies, widely scattered light showers would be possible here. We'll put a small mention of rain into the forecast for that time. But given that it would still be a southwest or southerly flow here, temperatures won't cool off all that much. High temperatures on Wednesday still in the mid to upper 60s despite the clouds and small threat of rain. Now here's a week from today. This is Thursday the 13th, still a blocking pattern around Big Ridge. Positive height anomalies up across the Pacific Northwest, Western Canada, the Intermountain West, even the Northern Plains. And that upper low still sort of cut off from the main flow around the southwest. Again, where exactly it is will determine our weather here next week, but if that verifies, yes, still could see a small chance of a light shower or two here, and temperatures close to seasonal averages. As we look out 10 days, this is Saturday the 15th, and that upper low is beginning to push to the south and east now as ridging builds in. But in that setup with an upper low just to the south or southeast of us, we would have a tightening pressure gradient, maybe some breezy to locally windy conditions, and temperatures remaining rather mild. Now, looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is coming off of the GFS ensemble. This goes out through the 20th of January. And a number of members do show some light rain here. The ensemble mean is now just over 1/3 of an inch, so confidence is increasing that at least the possibility of light precipitation will be with us during this period. And temperatures off the national blend of models, highs on most days at or maybe just slightly above normal, overnight lows a little above average too, mainly in the mid-40s to low 50s. Of course, the cooler pockets of the valley would be a bit lower than that. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell. Leave your comments, questions, and suggestions. I also invite you to check out my streaming music station, that is KMGX. Myself and the one and only Michelle put a lot of effort into presenting that to you, so please be sure to check that out. I leave a link to it in the description. You can use your smart speaker, say, Alexa, play KMGX live. And I thank you so much for watching, all of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe out there today and have yourselves a fantastic Thursday.